In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a photographic book with Leonardo AI Mobile. To begin, open the Leonardo AI app on your phone. Once you're inside the app, tap on Generate. This is where you'll create the images that can become the foundation of your photo book. Next, tap on the Model section, then choose Image, and select the model you want to work with. The model you pick can influence the overall look and feel of your visuals, so it's worth choosing one that matches the style you want for your book. After that, tap the settings icon to start customizing your generation. Here, you'll choose the image quality, the image dimensions, and the number of generations. These settings matter because they help determine how polished your results look and how many options you'll have to choose from. When selecting dimensions, think about the layout of your book. If you're designing a horizontal or landscape photo book, choose 4:3 or 3:2. These work especially well for travel, nature, or architecture themes. If you're creating a vertical or portrait photo book, choose 3:4 or 2:3. These are better suited for street photography, portraits, or fashion-focused pages. A very important part of making a strong photographic book is consistency. To make the book feel cohesive, all of your images should look like they were taken by the same photographer using the same camera. A simple way to do that is to pick a specific camera style or film type and include that exact wording in every prompt you write. For example, you can use a style description like shot on a 35mm camera, portrait photography style, with golden hour lighting. Reusing the same visual language helps tie the whole book together. Once everything is set, tap Generate. Review the results, choose your favorite design option, and then download it to your mobile device gallery so it's ready for the next stage of your project.